Hello guys, welcome to Winds of Technologies. It's me Prakash. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to create a class called Rectangle Demo, in which we are taking some data members in order to calculate area and perimeter of rectangle, guys. Okay. So generally we know that when you are working with rectangle, so we have area formula is L into B, length and breadth. Perimeter is something like 2 into L plus B. Okay, so how can we do this with the help of a object oriented programming methodology? So we are creating a class first, and then we are taking necessary data members like length and breadth, and then area and perimeter. We are going to do it. Okay, so let's get started, guys. We are going to switch to this Notepad++ and go to language, choosing J for Java, and then so area and perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so that is what we are doing now. So the class name is rectangle demo. Okay, so inside the class, so we are taking the private members, guys. That is, I'm taking in double format because though user is giving decimal points, it's ready to work. So private double length, breadth, okay, area and perimeter. So like this I've taken data members. So now I'm taking a method called accept. Okay, so I'm taking public access modifier for the methods like accept. I'm taking accept, in which I'm taking double length and double breadth. Okay, so we are reading these two values, and these two I'm going to store in so this dot length is equal to length, I said, and then this dot breadth equal to breadth, I said. So if you know, these are said to be local variables length and breadth, and this dot length means member variables. Okay, that's the reason I have initialized values from local variables to member variables. Now we are writing two more methods, guys. Those are like public void show area, like this I'm taking, so which is displaying, or display area, you can give any name, guys. Okay, display area. So we are displaying area of rectangle. Okay, so how do we do that? So area is equal to length into breadth. So in this way we are writing method called display area, which is displaying area of rectangle. And to display this, I'm writing system.out.println. Okay, so I'm printing here length is length and breadth followed by area of rectangle. Okay, so I said breadth here, breadth, and finally we are printing area, which is in the variable called area, guys. Okay, so area of rectangle. Okay, yeah, so same thing. Let me save it, guys. Control S, saving as what was the task number? 84, right? So I said task 84.java, 84.java. okay, and let us create a class called class task 84, so that there is no issue with the naming conventions as well, file names. And we are creating main method now, public static void main string gs, or you can give any name, abcd or whatever. Okay, so area part is done, guys. Display area is a method which is calculating area of rectangle and printing length, breadth, and area of rectangle together. And same thing I want to do for perimeter as well. Okay, copy paste, and the method name this time display perimeter. Okay, and the formula for perimeter is peri. I've taken the data member as peri on the top, PERI. So this one. So that's the reason I'm using it here. Peri is equal to 2 into L plus B. It's 2 star. So length plus breadth. Okay, that is said to be 2 into L plus B. Length and breadth we are adding and multiplying with 2. So and here I'm printing perimeter of rectangle is peri itself. Okay, yeah. So in this way we are printing both length, breadth and area here in display area, display perimeter. I'm doing like this. Okay, so now let's get started, guys. We are creating objects of rectangle demo class. So by saying rectangle demo, so r1 is equal to new rectangle demo, and here after creating object I'm calling r1.accept method, in which I'm passing 10 and 2 as parameters. Of course you can give decimal points as well. And then r1 dot display area. Okay, I want to call area for this first object. Okay, yeah, let's compile it and run it, guys. Go to command prompt, cmd, go to E drive, cd Prakash1 is the folder name we have saved our file, java c task84.java. There are no errors. Now we are executing task 84. You can see here 10 length and the breadth is 2 and area of rectangle 10 2s are 20. So it's fine. I want to create another object in order to call perimeter, guys. So what I'm saying is rectangle demo r2 is equal to new rectangle demo, and r2 dot accept. This time I'm passing something like 5 and 8. Okay, length and breadth is given as 5 and 8, and now this time I'm calling r2 dot display perimeter. Okay, so 2 into l plus b. This time the formula is this one. Okay, 2 into l plus b. Let's compile it and run it, guys, so that we can see both of them. So let's compile it now, java c task84.java. Now let's execute and see here the first object r1 is printing area of rectangle. The second object r2 is printing perimeter of rectangle. Okay, 2 into l plus b. So in this way we can work with what we call area and perimeter of rectangle using OOPS concepts, object oriented programming. Okay, yeah. So look at this, guys. So we have created private data members on the top, and then we have taken a method which is reading length and breadth. The first method called display area is calculating area first and then printing length, breadth and area of the rectangle. And the last method display perimeter is used to calculate perimeter here first and then printing length, breadth followed by perimeter. Okay, and finally we have taken two objects. The first object is calculating area, second object I'm calculating only perimeter. So we want to calculate both of them, like r1 dot display perimeter and r2 dot display area also we can do. Okay, yeah, thank you, guys. The next video will discuss the next task.